Hello student, there is a big announcement. IAS SETU is organizing CSAT Olympiad on 10th of May 2022. Like here, you have to register yourself. For registration, you have to come to office. Because we are conducting this CSAT Olympiad offline. This time we are not conducting online because we want that competition has to be fair enough. Maybe in future we will conduct any of the Olympiad for online students as well. Those who are in Old Rajendra Nagar, Patel Nagar, Mukherjee Nagar, or if any one of you planning to visit Delhi on 10th of May, you can participate. So you have to register yourself. So kindly visit our office before 8th May 2022 5 p.m. We have limited slots, so kindly register yourself as soon as possible. There will be two stages in this Olympiad. In the first stage, we will give you MCQs based test based on the UPSC latest pattern. There will be tricky question, and we will select around 20 to 30 candidate, and this 20 to 30 candidate, they will participate in the second stage. Second stage, we will ask you MCQs, and it will be a quiz based competition also. Finally, we will select 3 candidates, where first candidate will get prize amount rupees 11,000, second candidate will get rupees 5,100, third candidate will get 2,100 rupees. Okay, so we have limited slot. Kindly register yourself as soon as possible. Our office is in Old Rajendra Nagar. Contact details and the office address you can check in the description box. Thank you very much.